Hey there, fellow travelers! Ever had that heart-sinking moment when the airline tells you they've overbooked your flight? Yeah, we've all been there. But fear not, because today we're diving deep into the wild world of airline overbooking. So, first things first, why do airlines overbook flights? Airlines overbook flights to maximize their revenue and ensure that as many seats as possible are filled on each flight. This practice helps them offset the costs associated with no-show passengers, cancellations, and changes. By carefully predicting the likelihood of no-shows based on historical data and booking patterns, airlines can sell more tickets than there are available seats, thus reducing the risk of flying with empty seats. However, it's a delicate balance, and sometimes, when all passengers show up, it can result in overbooking situations and the need to ask for volunteers to give up their seats, or in some cases, flight cancellations. But what happens when everyone and their grandmother decides to show up for the flight? Chaos, my friends. Absolute chaos. When the airline realizes they've sold more tickets than there are seats, they'll start asking for volunteers to give up their spots. They might sweeten the deal with vouchers, upgrades, or even cold hard cash. But if there aren't enough volunteers, someone's got to bite the bullet and lose their seat. And trust me, nobody wants to be that person. So, who loses their seat when airlines overbook? Well, it's like a sad game of musical chairs. The unlucky ones are usually the last to check in, or those with flexible travel plans. If you find yourself in this situation, don't panic. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and listen to what the airline staff have to say. They'll usually offer compensation and help you find an alternative flight. Now, you might be wondering, is it okay for airlines to oversell flights? Well, it's a bit of a gray area. On one hand, it helps airlines maximize their revenue and keep ticket prices lower for everyone. But on the other hand, it can lead to headaches and frustrations for passengers, especially when flights get canceled or delayed due to overbooking. And here's the million-dollar question: do all airlines oversell their flights? The short answer is nope, not all of them. Some airlines are more notorious for overbooking than others, while some have policies in place to minimize it. So, there you have it, the wild world of airline overbooking decoded. Remember, it's all part of the travel adventure, so roll with the punches and keep that wanderlust alive. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips, and comment if this video was helpful. Until next time, happy travels, folks!